Hey guys, we wanted to do another video here in the series continuing on, we're going to make this a little more regular thing with Whiteboard Wednesday, doing kind of a video series.
It's a slick name, by the way.
Thank you. I came up with that all by myself. Actually, I kind of stole it from SEO Mods. They do a Whiteboard Friday, but I thought, hey, why not go with the alliteration and bust in Whiteboard Wednesday?
Nice.
But yeah, those videos are very helpful, by the way. If you're interested in search engine optimization, definitely check them out. But today I wanted to talk a little bit more about VMware and the architecture and how that kind of looks. So maybe if you could do a little bit of diagramming and explain some of the benefits of the VMware architecture as compared to the old world with physical hardware, no virtualization at all. Okay. I guess just take it away, and I'll share a prompt with questions as we go.
So last time we talked a little bit about the redundant hardware, and we'll pick up from that last diagram of the hardware here. So this is typically in the form of a blade server or a single unit server of some sort.
Okay.
So we'll just call this the hardware down here, and then we had that virtualization layer, if you remember that. And then
that's the hypervisor, right?
That's correct, the hypervisor.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
You learned something.
Woohoo!
And then we had our VMs living up on top of that hypervisor. Now, last time I talked a little bit about how we have the redundant hardware that we can fail over to in the event of something going bad, like a bad motherboard or something. What we didn't talk about last time was the storage.
Right.
So in a traditional environment, you would have what they call direct attached storage.
Okay. Or DAS.
Or DAS. Very good.
Okay.
I'll let you draw that up there.
All right. We got DAS.
And the virtual machines would actually be stored on this direct attached storage.
Okay.
So when last time we talked about running VMware Player, right. So your virtual machine actually lived on your laptop.
Right.
Okay. With the more of a cloud model, I would put it, this no longer applies. So we don't have direct attached storage anymore.
Okay.
So what we have instead is a storage area network.
Or SAN, right?
Correct. So in the SAN, we have big arrays of disks. So there's probably like 12 drives in there, 16 drives, something like that.
Okay.
I lost count. And we have a whole bunch of these. And they're all, that is a terrible, terrible rectangle.
That's all right. You don't get paid for your illustration skills.
Actually, I think I do, but anyway.
That's computer automated.
Most
or computer assisted.
So no longer do we have this direct attached storage anymore. Each one of these storage shells is accessed by these the VMware ESX servers. Okay. Fail.
John Double there, huh?
Once again, poor illustration.
That's no problem. We'll get better as the Whiteboard Wednesdays go on. Maybe we'll do a little training session on Tuesday. Just get you warmed up.
There you go. Maybe we'll do like a second take next time or something.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Maybe we should script this.
No.
Okay. So these big storage arrays, your virtual machines actually live on these big storage arrays.
Okay.
So that gives you redundancy with the storage as well, because these virtual machines are multiple copies of that virtual machine live on all of these, and it's not like we take backups and move it over there. It's live. It all gets written to all these different arrays. So if we lose a drive array, we just replace the drive array and nobody even notices.
Okay. Okay. So let's say one of these goes down.
Mm-hmm.
What happens?
We order a new one and we slap it in there, and everything kind of synchronizes back onto this guy.
Okay. So you've always got two things going at once, at least.
That's right. Yeah, we can actually we can lose an entire drive array and have no performance impact whatsoever.
Okay. And this all happens in the same like physical geographic location, right? So, because if it was somewhere else, that would actually be disaster recovery.
Correct.
Maybe that'd be another good whiteboarding session next week or something like that. Okay, great. I think this gives us a lot more insight into how the storage is done with VMware and virtualization, and hopefully you guys learned something and can make a little sense out of this. If Jake steps back just a tad, you can actually see what's going on here. But yeah, I think this was really helpful, Jake, and keep the feedback coming. Ask questions in the comments. Feel free to hit us up on the blog or on Twitter, and we'll see you there.